Hi, Ryan here. Today I'm going to brew 3 pour-over coffees with 3 different waters. First, I'm going to brew 1 pour-over coffee with my do-it-yourself water recipe. Second one, I'm going to brew with Fiji water. And third wave water. We are going to compare these 3 waters, and when my wife gets back, she's gonna taste it and let us know which one would be her favorite. I'm going to use these geisha beans from Panama. Okay, let's start with my water first. This water is 1 liter of RO filtered water. It's supposed to be very pure with very small amount of minerals. So let's check the ppm of this water first. So currently it's a 0 ppm, and let's check the water. ppm is 29. So this water is almost pure. So let's mix it with the concentrations. I'm going to use these 3 concentrations. Magnesium sulfate, which is also called Epsom salt. And this one, calcium chloride. This one's supposed to give electrolyte taste and some sweetness. And this one with baking soda. Baking soda will make the water more alkaline, so it'll balance out the acidity and make it more smooth taste. This one is 1/8 teaspoon. So I'm going to put 1/8 teaspoon and then 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda concentration. Okay, and let's mix it. Previous ppm was 29, and let's see how it changed. It is 102 ppm. Okay. Let's brew first pour over coffee with my water. Okay, while we are boiling the water, let's prepare the coffee. I'm going to use 14 grams of coffee and 2 pours. First, small amount of water for blooming, and then second pour will be rest of the water. So 14 grams of coffee with 250 grams of water. And grind setting is 10.5. Temperature, I'm going to wait for 90 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's rinse the paper filter. Total brew time was about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Smells good. Before my wife gets here, I'm going to taste a little bit. Oh, smells good. I like it. So I'm going to pour for my wife. Let's brew another one with Fiji water. Okay, let's check the ppm rate on this water. So it's 147 ppm. Let's try the water. It's very smooth. It's like melting in my mouth. Anyways, let's boil this Fiji water. Brewing is done. Let's see. It tastes very flat. There's no certain flavor that stands out. It's very smooth all the way. The coffee tastes very similar to the water. This one is with the Fiji water. And last, the third one, third wave water. This is RO filtered water from my RO filter system. Let's use this third wave water packet. 1 stick to 1 gallon of water. I'm going to use all the powder of this packet because it's expensive. I lost my cap, so I'm gonna use this food wrap. How long should I shake it? Shake it, shake it, shake it. I think it's done. My arms are pumped. All right, let's check the ppm. Oh. 184. 184. So I think it was about the same as Fiji water. While we are boiling it, let's taste the water. Treated by third wave. This is tasty water. Okay, my wife is here. Okay, my wife went to grocery store, but I'm not I'm not helping her because I'm busy making YouTube video. All right, it's a 90 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna try first. Wow. My choice is this. This is the best. Different. Wow. I feel goosebumps. Okay, now I'm gonna have her try. Could you come over, please? Second one is out. Oh, no. She likes first one better than the third one. She says this one has more acidity and this one has more smooth. So I'm gonna cool down this one to room temperature and let her taste. I cooled it down to a room temperature. She said after I cool it down to have the same temperature between the first one and the third one, she likes the third one better. We agreed on the third one would be our choice. But she still thinks the first one okay too. But personally, I like the third one better. I think it's worth a try. $17. It's still expensive, so I'm going to try to make myself with using calcium citrate and Epsom salt and baking soda. I'm going to make more waters with different ratio. Anyways, hope you like this video and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.